Hello friends, welcome again, part 2. I promised you. So you already know the process, blending all the vegetables with bone broth, blending everything with the beans. Yummy in my tummy is happening. Mix it together, taste it for salt and pepper. Add oil, add a little bit of palm oil, then wrap it up in foil paper or bake it in any ramekin. Now to the oven. This is what makes the difference. We put it in the oven and cover it very well with a foil paper. Cover it tight and add water and a pan. And look at it. Decide add water, boiling water, and always bake it in 350 degrees. Bake it cook with your nose, darlings. Cook with your nose. Now when it's ready, then we are ready. Boom. Yummy. Enjoy your mama. Thank you so much.